What's up guys, Arif here. In this video we are going to talk about the Samsung Galaxy M41, which is the successor of M40. The Samsung Galaxy M41 is going to be a budget killer smartphone with a great camera specs, and it will also come with a massive 5000 mAh battery with fast parallel charging. But before getting started, be sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Let's get started. Let's start with the details of the camera. Cameras are the main highlight of this device. This phone will come with a triple rear cameras, and the camera specs are 41 megapixel wide, 16 megapixel ultra wide, and 5 megapixel for depth sensor. And for selfies, there is a whole punch selfie camera, which is a 32 megapixel wide lens, which is enough for taking high quality images. Now let's talk about the details of the display. As we know, Samsung is always best for displays, and this phone is also going to come with a Super AMOLED capacitive touchscreen, and the display size is 5.9 inches. The resolution of this display is 1080p by 2340 pixels, and the pixel density is 437 ppi. And the display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5, which is enough for protecting the display from scratches. Now let's talk about the performance of this device. The Samsung Galaxy M41 will have two processor options, which are Exynos 7916 7nm processor, and another is Snapdragon 730G octa-core processor, and the GPU is Adreno 620. And for storage, there are two options, which are 64GB storage and 4GB RAM, 128GB storage and 6GB RAM. And the storage is also expandable with microSD card. Now let's talk about the battery and connectivity. The Samsung Galaxy M41 is going to come with a very big battery, which is 5000 mAh. And the battery is also fast charging supported with up to 45 watts. And for connectivity, there is USB 2.0 Type-C and a microphone jack. Now let's talk about the price and release date. The price of the Samsung Galaxy M41 will be around $400, and the release date is not sure yet. That's it for today guys. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more updates about this smartphone.